as you can see, a normal P-Reg Focus Escape Escort Cabriolet. Bodywork's in as good condition as you'd expect it to be. There's the Alos. Detail on the roof. It's in pretty good condition apart from a couple of things, which is the bumper here. There's a burn hole in the cigarette on the passenger seat.